I come from a very small town in UP. I studied in Navodaya, which is a government boarding school, and later Dakshina, where I got selected for a 100% JEE scholarship. I have always been drawn towards solving problems, and especially in consumer tech and shopping. It has to be a lot bigger, like a 10x better from existing platforms. We are very young, high energy and ambitious people, right? I think AI thinks a lot better than humans and can do a lot of things very fast. There are a lot of women who have built great businesses in India, like Falguni Nair. I would say just start, don't wait for confidence or perfect opportunities.
Okay. Hi Sheetal.
Hi.
Good morning and welcome back to the Mr. CEO podcast. How have you been?
Great, pretty great.
When did you come to Bangalore?
Yesterday.
Okay, and how has your stay been in Bangalore?
Bit hectic. We had back-to-back meets with investors and friends.
That's the life of a founder, right?
I'm 23 and I come from a very small town in UP and come from a lower middle class family. So growing up in that environment made me very aware about my opportunities and money, and I became independent quite early. And most of my education happened through scholarship or free of cost. Like I studied in Navodaya, which is a government boarding school, and later Dakshina, where I got selected for a 100% JEE scholarship, and then went to IIT, right?
Okay.
So I mean that phase of my life has made me shaped me in a lot of ways. Being around very ambitious people, but still know how to create your own path. I have always been drawn towards solving problems, and especially in consumer tech and shopping. So before Flicked, we started Snoodify. I mean, I started with Dikshit, where we were building a discovery commerce platform, trying to make shopping more engaging. But later on, I realized if I'm going to spend years on building something, it has to be a lot bigger, like a 10x better from existing platforms. And that's what led to Flicked. So yeah, my overall journey has been moving from constraints to opportunities and learning fast, failing fast. Yeah, obviously. I mean, that has made me kind of look for opportunities rather than
The problem.
complaining about my situations.
Okay.
So basically solving things. Okay, so I chose engineering, especially in mathematics and computing, because I always loved maths, problem solving, and logical things. But after coming to college, I felt like math was more like more of theory than logic.
Yeah.
So I started exploring a lot of things in campus when I started doing internships, worked with my friends who were already building something. So that made me realize like I truly enjoy building something that matters, and I was more curious about how people shop, how people what makes them buy something, or why they care about what you build. So overall, that pulled me into marketing and entrepreneurship. So we met in college. We were in same department, mathematics and computing. So I used to go to him for help in coding or something, and then we became friends. And he was exploring a lot of things. He used to experiment a lot, and that I loved. So I also started experimenting with him, and then we like built Flick together. I would say very exciting, but at the same time bit hectic. I have learned a lot of things that I would have not learned by doing anything else. So at the moment we have very small team of 7 people, and average is around 23. We are very young, high energy and ambitious people, right? And everyone take ownership of their task and things and move fast. We always care about like iterating fast and moving fast. We put things in front of users and then learn from them constantly, right? And other than this, we have non-human employees as well. We are very intentional about staying lean. So we use AI heavily in across team and across stacks. So a lot of work is handled by AI and like optimizing flows and all. I think AI thinks a lot better than humans and can do a lot of things very fast. So using AI and being like staying with what's happening around us is very important. So we can move fast as other people are also moving fast. So in next 10 years, I see Flicked as a truly global AI native fashion marketplace coming out of India. So building like something a lot better than what shopping is right now, making user experience 10x better than now.
So it's the future of shopping, right?
Yeah. I mean, we disagree a lot of times and even fight a lot of times. But I mean, disagreements are very good if we all care about product. So we ask a simple question: if I mean, what's best for user or the company? So that makes our decisions very easier and faster. Okay, so marketing is all about experiments and figuring out what's working for your brand and creating a culture around your brand, right? So I think experimenting fast, even it's with content or channels, and doubling down with what's working. As an early stage, there are moments where you have to prove a lot more, but I kind of see this as an opportunity to learn. We are building something in fashion and consumer tech, right, where understanding your users matters a lot, and bringing a different perspective will help you build better. So I focus on building more than like overthinking, and so my results will prove by itself. I would say just start. Don't wait for confidence or perfect opportunities. Start even if you feel you are not ready, and if things don't feel perfect. So yeah, just start. And there are a lot of women who have built great businesses in India, like Falguni Nair built like Nykaa into massive businesses, and there are a lot of women building great businesses from scratch. So anyone can build great businesses and career, as like even women. Okay, I would say start early. Don't wait for clarity or confidence. Even if you don't know something, you will get to learn by doing things, and experiment a lot. Like experiment a lot, fail fast, and learn from those failures.